All right, guys, here we are. I got a few packages in the mail today. Super excited. The Jackery 1000 and the Iceco VL65 dual zone fridge. So we're gonna go ahead and open up and do a kind of an unboxing, first impressions of the Jackery 1000. And then after I've had some time to use it, I'll put out a review. But let's jump into it. So the reason why I got the Jackery 1000 is based on a bunch of other videos I've seen. You kind of need that type of power to be able to run this fridge for a couple days. And we're going to be doing a lot of overlanding, a lot of camping, and not necessarily have shore power, somewhere to plug in. And I don't want to run the fridge off of the truck all the time because it'll drain the battery. So I needed a dual battery setup or a second battery. I opted not to go for the dual battery setup in the truck because I wanted the portability of the Jackery to be able to put it in different places. If I'm not plugged into the fridge, maybe we can use it. Like, for instance, our power went out a couple weeks ago in the house and we didn't have any power, so this would be a nice backup. Anyway, let's jump in, get this going. Well, if their product is as stout as their taping job, we're gonna be okay. All right, so we have another box. And another box. It seems heavy, but I'm assuming it's not like super heavy. I think it's like 20 some pounds. But anyway, here is the Jackery 1000 box. I did get one of their solar panels as well, but from what I've seen in some of the other reviews, just having one, it takes like 16 hours or something like that to power to charge it back up fully. So I'm gonna have to get another one. So important, please charge your portable power station to ensure full capacity before using. Charge and storage for maximum battery power. Charge me now and every 6 months, or keep me plugged in when not in use. Store me in a dry and cool place. Cool. Let's see, DC, AC. All right, sweet. Yes, oh, the Anderson connector. So their particular solar power has Anderson connectors, and this is to put it in parallel. Yeah, there we go. All right, here is the Jackery 1000. It's not bad. Yeah, it's probably about 20 pounds. I think I saw somewhere it was like 22 pounds. All right. Oh, got a light on the side. We have Anderson ports, the little 6 or 8 millimeter port, DC, AC. So that's 110 volt, 1000 watt, pure sine wave. Sweet. I think that's gonna be great because we'll be able to put it in the back of the truck with the fridge. When we are, I think I'll have to put some sort of connector into the bed to be able to be charging it while we're on the road. Because we have 5 in our family, and we have the Toyota Tundra, so we'll have 2 adults up front, 3 kids in the back, and so there's not going to be room for us to be putting the fridge and the adapter, or excuse me, the Jackery anywhere in the cab of the truck. So everything will be in the back of the truck. And so we're gonna have to figure out how to connect everything so while we're driving, the fridge can run off either the power of the truck or it's running off the power of the Jackery while the Jackery is being also charged by the power of the truck. Before we go, we'll take a look at the solar panel. This was we got a deal on this. They have a current promo, or a promo that's going. It was a couple bucks off, but from what I could see, I think the benefit of going with Jackery's 100 watt solar panel is it's portable. It's nothing you're gonna connect to your truck, and you can, you know, move it around your campsite to where it has optimal sun, a view of the sun. But I think it is pretty nice as far as it's got these little pockets. I think this is this is the stand. Yep, two stands right here. Yeah, those stands, so it goes like this and it gets a 45-degree angle to the sun. I believe it's 45 degree. Very well built. Well, it has like a little magnet. Nice and easy to store. I didn't know if I was gonna like this, but I think I really like this. Because I was thinking about getting two 100 watt panels and put them on top of the truck. But when they're on the top of the truck and they're flat, they're not always gonna be at optimal angle for the sun. So I was like, oh, I'll test this out and see if I like this, because you can get a little bit of an extension cord and put it around your campsite, like I said earlier, to get that optimal angle for the sun, to get as much power charging your Jackery as possible. So they call it Solar Saga 100. I really like this. Seems like, yeah, that's really cool. It has like kind of like like those the regular solar panels that like Renogy and stuff. They're rigid and they're kind of glass feeling. This is more of a plastic feel. Kind of neat. Small, easy to pack up. So super cool. Anyway, very quick video. Just wanted to show you the Jackery 1000 and give you a quick update on that. And we will check in with you in a little bit once we have everything set up.